Ceros templates offer a streamlined starting point for your content creation, eliminating the need to start from scratch for each new project. This video provides an overview of Ceros templates and the types available to enhance your workflow. To get started, you can head over to the Templates tab in the Ceros admin panel, or from your admin homepage, you can select the Create button, then Template to open up a template gallery window. From here, you can search and organize templates by date, name, and tags. It's important to note that there are three types of templates. Account template. These are user-created templates specific to your account. Organization template. For businesses with multiple Ceros accounts, this allows you to share templates across all connected accounts. So think of it as a central hub for your organization's creative assets. Then lastly, we have Ceros Inspire templates, where you can access a collection of ready-made templates through Ceros Inspire. They range from infographics to quizzes and just about everything in between. These templates are fully customizable and available to all Ceros account holders. Lastly, you can create a template from any experience. Just click the three dots of the experience, select Manage, then Create Template. From here, you can customize the name, subtitle, thumbnail, and type of template. Now your template is ready for future projects or to share with other accounts in your organization. Whether you're streamlining content production or looking for a burst of creativity, Ceros templates are an essential addition to your digital toolkit.